Joyful Monday, everyone. It's July 15, 2024, and it's a beautiful Monday morning. Walang ulan. Anyway, let's give thanks po on the blessings na dumating dun sa buhay natin. At syempre dun sa mga kasama nito mga pagsubok, challenges, and trials. Which makes our life beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At syempre dun sa mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials. Salamatan natin sila. At syempre dun sa mga marites sa paligid natin. Importante din sila. Salamatan natin. So, yun. Shoutout doon kay Glenda, kay Glenso, kay Pucci, kay Margie Crane, kay Cecil Bores, kay Mama Lu, Luis and Susan, Arthur Sabilia, Michael Lumongo, kay May Tebes, Joy Liza Cajaro, Joel Leong, Rene Pernia, and Sir Milvin Andot. Kay Jima David, Inday Araso, Elizabeth Guevara, Heidi Villamero, Rachel Pastelero, Lai Raisa, and It's My Love. Ripples of the day natin po is when our happiness is based upon the opinion, expectation, achievements, and idea of other people rather than of ourselves, then our happiness is short-lived and eminently sad. Ayun, keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, and sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Monday, everyone.